THAAD, a missile command game, and this is by JLJ 1978. And it is, just as it says on the label, a missile command game. So let's check it out. I'll hit go. So what I'm using is the cursors to move this little missile cursor around. Let's reset the game. I don't see any bad guys coming. And then you can press the A button in order to fire a missile to try to take care of these bad guys before they shoot your city. So just like Missile Command, although I noticed it does not have, as far as I can tell, there's no downside to spamming the missile button. I don't think I have a limited number of them, so you can really light up the sky with them, which is actually pretty satisfying if you've ever gotten frustrated at having to conserve shots in Missile Command. So if we close that down and take a look at the code here, check it out in general. There's a lot of great stuff in here, but one thing that I really like that I wanted to point out is, if you noticed, when I moved my cursor around, the little missile launcher was rotating left to right. And the way this is done is using the animation. So this is the little missile launcher in its default state. And then you can see here it's actually built as an animated series of sprites. As of right now, there isn't a good rotation transform built into MakeCode. So a simple way to deal with this is to use animated sprites. So as we head left, we get this frame of an animation, and then this frame of an animation. And when we go right, we get these two. And you can see what's controlling those is really elegant and simple. It's the cursor, so this is the player cursor, looking at the x value. If it's less than 32, we head left, and if it's less than 64, we head the further left, and so on. So it's essentially tracking the position on the screen through the x location of that cursor. And so you get this really nice effect. Let me see if I can bring back my simulator here. So if you're paying attention to it now, let me reset because I just got blown up. You'll see that that little missile battery there has this cute little animation. It's just 2 frames to each side and the center, but it's really effective. And so I think that's a nice example of using the animation extension inside of MakeCode Arcade to enhance the look of the game. And that was my MakeCode Arcade Game of the Week, THAAD, a missile command game.